You alright guys, rcaddict? My mate sent me this song, yeah, and I think it is the perfect song for FPV, right? Anyway, I'm excited, right? I've just come to my favourite place and it's like the sun's just rising, it's going to be a nice day, it's hot. Hopefully I've got the right ND filter today. Anyway, get past C. Start selling these bloody frames over in England again, will ya? It's the best frame ever. I mean, they're so tunable, they're just so stable. What are you doing? Anyway, this is the best song ever for FPV, and I'm going shop now to get something to eat. Take care, rcaddict.
If I fall too deep, will I come back round? I can barely see, but I hear the sound. When you're up so high, you can find the ground. Yeah, it's hard to breathe when you're upside down. When you're upside down. Upside down. When you're upside down.